respiration. In the case of Rubisco, you know Rubisco, correct? Are you aware of Rubisco?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the expansion for Rubisco? Could you please tell me what is the expansion for Rubisco?
Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase.
Yeah, this R we can shortly call it RUBP carboxylase. What is it? Oxygenase. Okay. This name is given to it. Okay. It catalyzes two reactions on RUBP. It catalyzes, what is it?
Two reactions.
Two reactions on RUBP. One reaction is carboxylase reaction. That's what that carboxylase coming. That is adding CO2 to whom? RUBP. Another reaction it catalyzes, that is which reaction? Oxygenase reaction, that is adding O2 to whom? RUBP. So RUBP can catalyze two reactions. Okay. One, it is adding carbon dioxide to RUBP. That is the usual thing we study. RUBP, when it is added to whom? Carbon dioxide, it will form a 6-carbon compound. Okay. Thereafter, what happens is later. You know, 6-carbon compound will split into two, 3 PGA molecules will be formed. They will be converted to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. They will be converted to G3P molecules. Some of the G3P molecules will be reorganized to form RUBP. Some of the G3P molecules will be converted to glucose, amino acids like many other products. Hello. Oxygenase reaction is new to you. RUBP is added to whom? Added to whom, Puta?
Oxygen. Yes.
Oxygen, O2. When it is added to O2, okay, two products are coming. One product is whom? 1,3-PGA molecule is coming. 1,2-phosphoglycolate molecule is coming. RUBP, when it is added to O2, two products are coming. Now, our total concentration falls on the newly made molecule called whom? 2-phosphoglycolate. This is the first time we come across the word. What is it?
2-phosphoglycolate.
2-phosphoglycolate. The 2-phosphoglycolate is a 2-carbon compound because RUBP, how many carbon? How many
5 carbon.
carbon? 5 carbon. PGA, how many carbon?
3 carbon.
3
3
carbon.
carbon.
Then rest 2 carbon only because oxygen doesn't have any carbon, no? Correct? So, how many carbons atoms are present in the phosphoglycolate?
2.
2 carbon. Now, this phosphoglycolate, okay, what is the, what it is? One, it is, okay, at high concentration, it is toxic to plants. Understood? It's a toxic material. It's a toxic material. Another character of it is, okay, your book says, no immediate, what is it? Use. If it is immediately used, will it be coming to high concentration? Tell me. If it is
No.
immediately used, will it be coming to high concentration?
No.
No. If it is not coming to high concentration, will it be becoming toxic to plant?
No.
So if there's no immediate use mean what's going to happen?
High concentration occurs.
High concentration occurs. It is going to create a toxicity in the plant cells. So plant cells are going to die. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. To eliminate this, so we can't allow it to stay there. It will come to high concentration. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we, in the plant cell, there is an elimination. What is it? Process.
Process.
Elimination of whom? Elimination of whom?
Phosphoglycolate.
Phosphoglycolate. That elimination process is called by the name photo. What is it?
Respiration.
Respiration. If you take this process, it happens, okay, with the support of 3 organelles. Okay, first it is chloroplast, then it is peroxisome, then it is mitochondria. What are the organelles involving in photorespiration?
Chloroplast, peroxisome,
Chloroplast,
mitochondria.
peroxisome, and mitochondria. This process, okay, break down phosphoglycolate into, okay, phosphoglycolate broken down into simpler component. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So, anyway, one side in this, okay, there are, if you take the whole process, oxygenase process, one thing, the oxygenase reaction, is it giving any beneficial product mean? No, any beneficial product coming. Okay. Oxygenase reaction, it wastes rubisco. Understood? One part of the rubisco is been used for this purpose mean, okay. Second, enzymes and organelles are okay, utilized. Chloroplast is involving in this work. Peroxisome is involving in this work. Mitochondria is used for this purpose. Here, ATP is used in this pathway. Photorespiration uses ATP. ATP, okay, you start. Further, okay, RUBP is lost. Like this. So RUBP lost mean RUBP lost in the form of carbon dioxide. Mitochondria will finally break it to carbon dioxide. So once you consider this, and finally, all these, okay, it reduces photosynthetic efficiency. Why? Unnecessarily, REBP involves in this work. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it not? It's not going to give any beneficial product. So it's a waste work. So photosynthetic efficiency is, what is it? Lowered. Okay. Nitrogen use efficiency is low. Why? REBP is an enzyme, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For this unnecessary work, who asked this plant to do REBP to join oxygen? It is the weakness of Rubisco. Understood? It is actually is the weakness of whom?
Rubisco.
Rubisco. If Rubisco catalyzes only carboxylase reaction, these things will not happen now.
Yes.
Okay. So now, for example, now say your book says photosynthetic efficiency is reduced by what percentage? What percentage? By 40%. By 40. Simply think like this. If you have 100 Rubisco, 100 Rubisco produce 100 G3P molecules mean, because of this nature, 100 Rubisco will produce Then time is not this one, no? Amount 11:43 the Adan time.
No, sir. No, sir.
No. இந்த பைத்தியமா போன்ல போட்டு வச்சுதாய். So reduces the photosynthetic efficiency. Now say 100 Rubisco molecules are there. If all 100 Rubisco molecules work, okay, you will be getting 200 G3P molecules. One Rubisco will give 2 G3P. So 200 G3P molecules, correct? Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Due to
Yes,
this work, 40% of the Rubisco is used for oxygenase reaction. That means, though you have 100 Rubisco molecules, you are going to get only 120 G3P molecules. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Because 40% lost. 40% lost. Further, if you want to get 200 G3P molecules, can you do it with 100 REBP? Can you do it with 100 REBP?
No.
No. Then you want more REBP, correct?
Yes, sir.
including this loss, you have to think how many RABP needed.
Sir, can you see the numbers again?
Wait, எனக்கு அதான் காதுல கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தா பேசுறது கஷ்டம். இந்த நாய்கள் சம்மந்தம் இல்லாத டைம்ல வாங்க சொல்லு. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Please take it down in a white sheet. Tell me after taking it.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it? Have everyone completed it? Hello?
So can you give me 2 minutes?
Okay, Pata.
Done, sir.
Okay. So, have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So, now what I told you is, now say, starting with 1 RUBP, okay, starting with 1 RUBP and what is it? 1 carbon dioxide, right? The plant will produce, I'm not marking the total one. It will be producing 2 G3P molecules. Understood? Starting with RUBPN,
Carbon
what's it?
dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. At the end, there will be 2 G3P molecules. 1 RUBP, 1 carbon dioxide, 2 G3P molecules. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. That means if there are 100 RUBP, okay, sorry, to do this one, you need the contribution of 1 Rubisco enzyme. Understood?
Yes, sir.
To do this one, it needs 1 Rubisco enzyme. So, in a cell, say there are 100 Rubisco. Okay. This 100 Rubisco has, okay, will be able to produce 200, what is it?
G3P.
G3P molecules. If all the Rubisco get utilized for,
Producing G3P.
okay, producing G3P. Okay. If all Rubisco involve in which reaction?
Carboxylase.
Carboxylase reaction. But will it happen so?
No.
No. Okay, one part of the Rubisco will be utilized for, one part of the Rubisco will be utilized for oxygenase reaction.
Oxygenase.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, if 40% photosynthetic output decreases mean we can think, we can assume, okay, 40% of Rubisco, okay, but 40% of Rubisco is utilized for which reaction?
Oxygenase.
Oxygenase reaction. In that case, that's the reality. That's the reality. Understood?
Yes, sir.
In that case, if you have 100 Rubisco, only 60% Rubisco will be used for,
Carboxylase.
okay,
Yes,
that
yes.
means 60 Rubisco will be used for, what is it? Carboxylase reaction. If 60 Rubisco get utilized, you will be getting how much?
120.
120 G3P only. So if there are 100 Rubisco, though it has a potential of making 200 G3P molecules, it will not happen. Okay. Another 40 Rubisco will be used for
Oxygenase.
oxygenase reaction. We don't need to go inside that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
My point it is now, okay, to produce 200 G3P molecules, okay, is it enough 100 Rubisco?
No.
No. Why? Every time in the 100, 40 will be used for
Oxygen.
oxygenase. So using 100 Rubisco, you can't expect what's it?
200 G.
200 G.
200. So we come to the decision no. We come to the decision more than 100 Rubisco, okay, molecules are necessary, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or essential. The point it is, with 100 Rubisco, to make 200 Rubisco, the plant has to make more Rubisco, okay, including its loss in the oxygenase. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we consider, okay, it is a wastage of, okay, nitrogen in the plant. Understood? Because Rubisco is made of, it's an enzyme, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Enzyme contains
Proteins.
Protein.
enzyme is protein, normally proteins, right?
Yes, sir.
Normally protein. So it has nitrogen. So to make 200 G3P molecule, okay, more than 100 Rubisco molecules are made, okay, because of the loss. So it is a wastage of nitrogen in the plant, unnecessarily making extra Rubisco because of the weakness of the Rubisco. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So it is a low nitrogen usage. What is it? Efficiency. Okay, if this problem is not there with Rubisco, okay, 100 Rubisco will be enough or not?
Yes.
Yes, if 100 Rubisco is enough, to make that 100 Rubisco, the amount of nitrogen needed will be less than this condition. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's what I tried to tell you. If you want, you can mark and keep this.
Done, sir.
Have you taken it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in C3 plants, due to this weakness of Rubisco, okay, ATP loss is there. RUBP wastage is there. nitrogen usage efficiency is low. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All these are there due to this issue. This is what we have to consider under which heading?
Photorespiration.
Photorespiration. Okay. Here, these people explain these two as what is it? Carbon now to RUBP, CO2 can join, then carboxylase reaction will be favored, correct?
Yes, sir.
O2 can join, then oxygenase reaction will be favored. Point it is, carbon dioxide, oxygen, both are using the same, what is it?
Active site.
Active site. So if carbon dioxide binds, no chance for oxygen. If oxygen binds, no chance for
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide inhibits which reaction?
Oxygenase.
Oxygenase reaction. O2 inhibits which reaction?
Carboxylase.
Okay, opposite. Understood? But anyway, both of them are going to give us products. Yes or no?
Yes,
If
sir.
CO2 binds also, there are products coming. When O2 binds also, there are products coming. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, both of them are coming under the term called substrates of RUBP, carboxylase, oxygenase, rubisco. So what are the substrates of rubisco? CO2 is a substrate, O2 is another substrate. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
So rest of the things are here mentioned to you. Please go through and tell me whether they are clear to you.
Clear, sir.
Clear. So below that, you are given a pathway. Okay, this pathway you don't need to understand. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
What is happening there? This is happening. Phosphoglyceride is going to changing to this, changing to this, changing to this. Then you might ask, sir, then why did you place it? I have some ideas here. That's why I placed it. One idea in this pathway. Okay, you can see in this place ATP is utilized. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So through this pathway, I am telling you, what is it? ATP is utilized. We are wasting ATP. Plant is wasting ATP for this purpose. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because this process, other than getting rid of phosphoglycolate, doesn't give any benefit to the plant. Understood?
Yes, sir.
On the other side, because phosphoglycolate is made only, all these are happening, all these wastage are happening, right?
Yeah.
So that's the connection. Okay. Why did you make phosphoglycolate? Why did you make? No need, no. That idea, understood?
Yes, sir.
Why did he make phosphoglycolate? Now, actually, almost like our country. Almost like our country. With all these financial problems of this country, I'm really happy. I'm really happy. You know why? Okay. 69 lakhs voted for Gotabaya Rajapaksa. No. Why did you voted for Gotabaya Rajapaksa? Then suffer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You people are the one voted for Gotabaya Rajapaksa. No? Looking at every Sinhalese face, when I come across, I come to that mind. You people are the one voted towards it. Gotabaya Rajapaksa. No? Then Sinha kapan. So, why did you choose phosphoglycolate? Because of phosphoglycolate, here we are using ATP. Here we are utilizing oxygen. Now, oxygen is used for cellular respiration, but that oxygen is utilized here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In the mitochondria, you see carbon loss is there. Carbon loss is there. Can you see? Carbon dioxide goes out.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So actually, this pathway is not important for you. This pathway is not important for you. No need. You have to understand. Okay, these organelles are involving in photo respiration. Okay, and through this pathway, I want to indicate my students the ATP loss is there. O2 loss, I mean usage. Usage is a wastage. Understood? Okay. ATP usage mean ATP is what's it? Is
Wasted.
wasted. O2 utilize mean O2 is what's it?
Wasted.
Wasted. Clear? Only for that one I took this pathway. Otherwise, don't try to memorize this pathway. It is not in your syllabus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Complete. Take it down and let's move to the next.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Thereafter, I am introducing you whom.
C4 plants.
Right. Let us speak about C4 plants. Okay. Right. C4 plants. Okay. By evolution, okay, they have developed a mechanism to to do this. One, to isolate, okay, to isolate carbon dioxide in a, okay, oxygen, okay, in a reduced oxygen environment. Okay, we can't say it is an oxygen free environment. Okay, it's a oxygen, what is it?
Environment.
It's an oxygen
Reduced environment.
reduced environment. So what they do is, okay, they isolate, not sorry, I'm mistaken. They isolate home.
Rubisco.
Rubisco in what kind of environment?
Oxygen reduced environment.
Oxygen reduced environment. When oxygen reduced environment is given, Rubisco has no choice. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now only original அதான். அப்ப முன்னுக்கு போனது முஸ்லிம்களுக்குள்ள எத்தனை பாகுபாடு, தஹ்வீத், தப்லீக், ஒவ்வொருத்தன் ஒவ்வொன்றதுக்கு பாங்க சொல்லி right? So what the C4 plants do? They are isolating
Rubisco in an
Rubisco to a place where
oxygen is reduced.
oxygen is reduced. Another thing they do in that environment, okay, they have a mechanism there to concentrate carbon dioxide around, what is it? Around Rubisco.
Rubisco.
That means by both these ways, one thing, oxygen-free environment is created around Rubisco. Otherwise, Rubisco is taken and kept in a place. Okay, here you stay. Why here? Here no oxygen will much come. Second, to that place, who should go? Who should go? Rubisco is
Carbon
placed
dioxide.
in an oxygen-free environment. But to same place, who should go? Carbon dioxide should go. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, C4 plants have developed a mechanism to do two things. What are the two things?
Isolate Rubisco in an oxygen reduced environment.
Second,
Concentrate carbon dioxide.
Right. By these, okay, by these, they avoid, okay, oxygenase, what is it?
Reactions.
Reaction. Okay. So, photo respiration is avoided. Correct? If oxygenase reaction takes place only, what will happen?
Photorespiration.
Photorespiration will happen. If oxygenase reaction doesn't take place, if phosphoglycolate is not formed, then
No photorespiration.
no photorespiration. So in the C4 plants, okay, carbon utilization efficiency is high. Why? No photorespiration. Nitrogen usage efficiency is high. No photorespiration. Correct? No oxygen reaction. No photorespiration. Okay. And one more thing, I will later explain you which efficiency.
Water usage.
Water usage efficiency is also high for whom? C4
C4 plants.
plants. Okay. Photosynthetic efficiency of them is 100%. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes.
take a C3 plant, photosynthetic efficiency is only 60%. There's a 40% drop in the photosynthetic efficiency due to photorespiration. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And that loss is not here. So
100% efficiency.
100%. Understood?
Yes, sir.
In all the ways, who are better choices?
C4 plant.
C4 plants are better choices. In all the ways, C4 plants are, what is it?
Better choice.
Better choices. Though C4 plants are better choices, okay, in the world, okay, C3 plants occur more in number than whom?
C4
C-
plants.
Why? Better choices, correct?
Yes, sir.
All they can avoid, what is it? They have a better photosynthetic mechanism, correct? When all these benefits are there, why they don't become abundant on this earth? The main reason, okay? C4 mechanism to do all these one, C4 mechanism, what is it? Is more, what is it?
complex.
Complex. That complexity, most plants don't like. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Simply, I can tell you like this. Now, in your O level, there were many students who were studying with you in your school, correct?
Yes, sir.
Out of them, how many selected science stream in their advanced level? Few or more?
Few.
Few. Why? If you choose science stream, you can become a doctor, correct? After becoming a doctor, social recognition is very high, payments are very high, achievements are greater, correct? Efficiency wise topper, correct? So when there are so many advantages waiting for them, why few only select science stream?
Complex.
Complex. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Though efficiency, recognition, all those things are poor in the commerce and art stream, they find that is easy. Understood? That is easy to study. No need to hard work. Okay? They just want a qualification in the advanced level. So, because of complexity, the simple part is not there. C3 plants are simple. C4 plants do a complex work or to do all these ones. Due to that reason, in the world, evolution wise, okay, the number wise, not evolution wise, number wise, who are more in number?
C3 plants.
C3 plants. Very few number of, what's it?
C4
C4.
plants.
C4.
C4 plants are there. Cone plant is a C4 plant. Sugar cane is a C4 plant. Few C4 plants are there. Most of the plants are நான் போவேம்மா நீங்க போங்களே. Most of them are what kind of plants?
C3.
C3 plants. Could you please take it down?
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Good.
Right. Actually, in this one, we are going to speak about what is the mechanism they follow. Understood?
Yes, sir.
What is the mechanism they follow? Okay. Those things we are going to discuss. Okay. Now, in the C4 plants, I told you they have a higher water usage. What is it? I told
Efficiency.
no. They have a higher water usage. What's it?
Efficiency.
Okay. The point it is, if you take a C3 plant, let's get back to home. C3 plants. Okay. Now they have now say during the daytime, during the what's it? Daytime, during what's it?
Daytime.
One side photosynthesis occur. That means light reaction of what's it? photosynthesis occurs, correct? Daytime, no? Light reaction of photosynthesis occurs. It generates more, what is it? Oxygen molecules. So, okay, the opportunity for oxygenase reaction increases, correct? During the daytime, light reaction of photosynthesis occurs. It generates more oxygen molecules. So the opportunity, because it's a competitive inhibitor, competition of more oxygen there mean Rubisco will bind to whom? More oxygen. More carbon dioxide there only mean Rubisco will bind to
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. So in the daytime, when photosynthesis light reaction occurs, when it generates more oxygen molecule, the opportunity for oxygenase reaction, what is it? Increase. To get rid of this oxygen molecules, okay, plant has to keep the stomata open. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then only the oxygen will go out. When oxygen goes out, the oxygenase reaction will not take place, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Through the stomata, through the, what is it? Stomata, okay, transpiration occurs. Through the stomata, what is it?
Transpiration.
Transpiration occurs. So when they keep the stomata open to get the oxygen out, using that opportunity, water vapor in the plant, what is it? Escapes. Now what shall the C3 plant do? Keeping the stomata open, they can get rid of oxygen molecule, but water loss will be there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Water loss will be there. If they keep the stomata close, transpiration will be reduced, but
Oxygenase takes place.
oxygenase reaction will take place. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you try this way also problem, that way also problem. That's why we say now, anyway, they have to keep some stomata open and some stomata, what is it? Closed. So as water loss is there, correct? C3 plants have low water usage. What is it?
Efficiency.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So if they open the stomata using that one water conservation, that is water usage efficiency, mean they have poor water conservation. They can't properly conserve water. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Take this one down. Inshallah, Monday morning I will meet you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. We'll meet inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, sir.
Jazakallah.
Bye.